Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to be comparing whole numbers. So that means we're going to be using a few symbols here, the greater than, less than, or equal to symbols. All right, so when we're comparing whole numbers, we have to figure out which number is the greater value. All right, so it's got this little chart here, and it shows you the greater than symbol here. And I'm sure in the past, and I've used this in the past, we say the gator mouth eats the larger value. So a lot of times you've maybe seen this guy, and then maybe your teachers have shown you some teeth, and that's like the alligator mouth, and the alligator's really hungry, so he's going to eat the greater value. Since 63 is greater or bigger than 57, the gator mouth is going to eat 63. All right, and then less than is just pointing the other way. 38 is less than 308. So the gator mouth is going to eat the 308. And then 9 is equal to 9, all right? That one is pretty self-explanatory, all right? So here you guys are going to do a few of these examples here. It says to circle the greater number in each pair. So we're going to compare the two numbers, and you're just going to circle the one that has the greater value. So if we're comparing 15 and 19, which one's the greater value? Well, 19 is the greater value. You're just going to circle that number, and that's what you're going to do for this section. 165 and 156. The greater value is 165. And a lot of times I like to think about money. Money's always really easy to think about for me. Would you rather have $19 or $15? Well, I'd rather have $19. I might be able to buy something else with my extra $4 that I have. Would you rather have $165 or $156? Well, I'd rather have $165 because it's more money. All right, so that's what you guys are going to be doing here for this section. 2,719 and 2,197. The greater value is 2,719. All right, so I'm going to let you guys finish up the rest of those. That should not take you very much time at all comparing those numbers or circling the greater value. And then down at the bottom here, it says compare each of the numbers from left to right. Use the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to compare the two numbers, okay? So if I'm comparing 512 and 212, if we're comparing those two numbers, just like we were doing before, 512 is bigger, so I'm going to open the gator mouth to that value. So 512 is greater than 212. All right, this is stuff that I'm hoping that you guys have a really strong understanding of and kind of breeze through this. If you are struggling, please make sure that you are messaging me or hopping on to my daily Zoom times that I offer every day, all right, so that we can work through these together. Number 14 says 1,062 or 999. Well, 1,062 is greater than 999. 375 or 735. Well, 735 is greater than 375. Or if I was reading this from left to right, which we should technically do, we would say 375 is less than 735. All right, best of luck. You guys got this. If you have questions, please reach out and ask in Canvas or hop onto one of my Zoom sessions during the day. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.